Microsoft did have earnings. Um, Microsoft and AMD had earnings yesterday, but we had a very, very nice recovery. After the earnings report, you see it looks like we are having a really, really big gap up so far. As I
Mhm.
mentioned, going or with the Sunday's watch list, right? We're keeping an eye out on this almost 470 level coming in here on QQQ. Um, we are actually coming close to it. But the main thing I'm keeping an eye on today is that we are opening up above previous day's range here on both SPYs and Qs. And actually, some of these individual tickers that we're keeping an eye on as well are actually moving towards our weekly targets for upside. Uh, Apple in particular is the main name that I'm kind of watching here. We had that 4-hour flag or almost range that we were watching Sunday, yeah, and then we had that imbalance that ended up getting formed above 220.50. So now, during this overnight session, we got above that, got above previous day's range, and we actually are starting to fill this imbalance overhead. So, if this can actually hold and maybe we get a back test of, previous high of day, use that as support and actually come back into this gap, this definitely has room up to 223 for me. So that would probably be something I'll be keeping an eye out on right there. Do also have their earnings coming up on Thursday as well. So for me, I would like to see us pull and fill this by their earnings report. And then potentially, if this is a fake out, I would have their earnings kind of invalidate that setup right there. But then again, we'll see. But let's see what else we got. Yeah, Microsoft had their earnings. Overall, pretty nice recovery though. Um, Opening up probably a little bit down here. We are sitting right at previous day's range. Uh, Previous low of day, by the way. Looks like we may open up below it, although we are getting a bit of a flag here on this 5-minute structure.
Good morning.
Hey, morning, Phil.
Good day. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, I see we have Joel here also. Nice.
Good morning,
Yeah,
Nice,
hello, hello.
nice to see you. Yeah.
Hey, welcome,
Mr.
Thank
Red.
you.
Mr. Red. Is that what we could call you?
Yeah, you can call me
Joel.
Red or
Oh,
Joel.
Red.
Yeah, yeah, Joel is fine.
Cool, 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 cool.
Yeah, we have rate decisions at 2 o'clock today.
Yep, great decisions at 2. I don't think we have any crazy earnings today. Yeah, pretty sure we don't.
It was tomorrow, I think, if I remember correctly. I just sat down.
Yeah, we have um Apple earnings tomorrow, but let's see. Yeah, for
Yeah,
today we do have 10 a.m. data. We have home sales data at 10
yeah,
for you guys that are on prop firms, but I don't think that will move us, to be honest. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all I'm look. Oh wait, one thing actually is Nvidia, right? We were watching this um when we did get that break below that 111. I think I text. Yeah, I put this in a main chat or something yesterday. Uh, Yesterday we played that breaker for Nvidia below 111 down to 109, and I said, below 109 it could possibly see the low 100. And you actually see we are literally 1 cent off of that 100 strike level right there. So that's actually pretty crazy. I was not expecting for us to pull down there, but I think that was going to be driven down from that Microsoft earnings. Um, so we technically did tap that 100 level, which
yeah.
is going to be really, really interesting to see. So I'm not sure if we are going to be able to get back there. If, depending, I think what we get today, we definitely could see that pop back down there. Otherwise, for upside targets for me, it's probably going to be going back to that breaker level, up to 114 on Nvidia, and then probably above there will probably come up to that 119, which is going to be that previous breakdown level that we played a couple days ago. yeah, everything is opening up pretty high here, so it should be a pretty interesting open overall. Pretty interesting open. And I think this 4-hour structure, yeah, it looks like it actually could be a fake out on this 4-hour. So we seen yesterday, right? We did have that almost wedge structure. They were keeping an eye on, right? We broke that larger time frame 4-hour trend line, and we pretty much just dropped from there. But after the earnings, like I said, that move did get bought up pretty nicely, and it looks like this could be almost a fake breakout. So, if we do actually get above overnight highs here, which actually is going to be the top of technically that 4-hour range. Well, it's not the top of it in terms of its candle close, but it is the top in terms of the actual wick. So we see our previous 4-hour candle that we just closed here, we did actually get that breaker, um, above that upper trend line right there. However, we would need to see some continuation going into this overnight high level. And then that
Yeah.
would actually probably look to fill that imbalance up to that 470 level, which we were kind of looking at the beginning of the week.
We do have buy divergence on the 4-hour there when
Yep.
you showed with RSI and a failed breakdown from Microsoft earnings. Yeah.
Yeah, it could be really nice. Now, this could be a gap and go here, but for me, what I'm really looking for is a back test into previous high day for a long there. I think that'll probably be the main thing that I'll be keeping an eye out on. As if we did come back into previous day's range, that would be, technically invalid for that breakout then. But then again, this is a larger time frame structure, so this could take some time to actually play out. So I do not want to get wicked out again like how we did yesterday.
We do have a lot on the ask here into the open here. The last 10 minutes, we've gotten a lot on the ask. Quite interesting.
PM high 9:45. Alex, do you expect chop today? At least in the morning?
Yeah, we definitely could see chop with FOMC. However, some moves that we actually get all right price action. No, I think we get slower price action and then it picks up like right before lunch and then slows down again.
Okay.
Pretty sure from what I remember from the last FOMC. But I mean, if we are, expecting a little bit more of a range day, we probably would be trying to buy dips or any. We'll be playing more reversals than actual breakouts for me today. But then again, we'll see. It's all about what we get. Everybody in here? No, we're missing Ton. Ton, always the last one to show up. I'll have to start writing him up. He's showing up late for work.
NVIDIA is at previous day high here, and QQQ is at 2+ days PDA previous day high, founding some resistance here. But you look on the 4-hour, it's right here if we're gonna break this out or not. I'm gonna mute myself. I'm eating a hamburger, so.
Alrighty. Where is VWAP at? Oh, VWAP is probably really below us, if I'm correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I don't think we could really use any fib levels here, just based off how or just based off the move that we got.
Yeah, it's a small 2.4%. It's no much. Pre-market.
Yeah, this is kind of crazy. I was really not expecting this, although, like I said, technically on the larger time frames, we are at, a decent spot where we would expect to see some buying come in here. So,
Yeah, we're entering into a 4-hour fair value gap that we've been rejecting pretty hard. So,
yeah, we've been rejecting, but if you take a look on that 4 hour, we did finally get that breaker of a candle close higher for that flag structure almost.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. But we're still technically sitting within the wicks here, so above overnight highs for me is going to be that breaker for more upside. So that could be quite nice.
Yeah, I was looking at charts last night and trying to find out where we bounced at. We bounced within the daily fair value gap and fib, which was nice. And it's still literally like the wick too.
Wow, look at this Nvidia candle.
Wow.
Who has earnings this afternoon?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Yeah. Tomorrow's Apple and Amazon.
Oh, that's gonna be big tomorrow. Tomorrow's probably NFP protocol. So
We do have a FOMC today too.
yeah,
We'll see what this open gives us though. Got over 30 seconds here.
I think pending home sales at 10 o'clock today.
Yeah, we probably won't move too much off of that, but
Yeah, did not someone say that you actually got flagged from Apex on yellow folder? That's yellow folder. Yeah. That's quite interesting.
not me. I think it was PK that said that.
Oh.
Here's the open. Like I said, for me, I'm keeping an eye out on this 4 hour imbalance that's literally right above us. And as I mentioned, I would like to see a break and retest structure here. So this technically is going to be our opening for that 4 hour structure, right? Get a back test into previous high of day for a potential long there for me, I think. Off of view up there as well. Although maybe if Nvidia actually gets this tap into PHOD and VWAP here, I may actually consider taking it a little bit earlier. If it decides to hold here a little bit. You have a 5 minute gap as well, sitting right at previous high of day, I believe. Yeah, we do. 5-minute imbalance. Right at previous high of day in VWAP.
Are you looking at enter, Alex?
PHOD and a 5-minute imbalance that's sitting below us, as well as VWAP on Qs. This is all on
Yeah.
Qs here.
20s.
Yeah, 466.557 here.
Just shy of it. Yeah, she did just fill another 5-minute gap right here. We have 2 gaps sitting right here. I don't hate an entry here, as we were just shy of this. Then
Yeah, maybe that tapped into Weave up there and buying up at this moment.
Yep.
Apple is also strong here.
we did get that tap though, looks like, for Qs, but I want us to come in here a little bit more.
Yo, I'd love to get an enter like entry like 23.
Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
No.
Oh, we literally tapped right into
Yeah.
it and wicked off.
Right off the outside of that
Wow.
gap right there. Yeah.
Touch and go.
We'll see if this move gets bought here though. I'd imagine it would, but may not want to give it to us.
Wow,
See.
15 minutes. Well, literally just touch and go.
Yep.
Here we go.
Very little buying on the bid here, honestly.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab an entry.
I'm in as well. 20, see. Oh, we got this fill. Alright, okay, I'm in. 21. 21, I'm in. So I think I'm gonna play this 5-minute structure here. Maybe 15-minute. I think this will actually be a 15-minute structure here.
Yeah, I was gonna say I like the 15 minutes a little bit more.
Yeah, so we'll play this 15-minute here. 15-minute candle close below, back into previous day's range as our stop, or 15-minute candle close below PHOD. Targets of going to be overnight high and that breaker up to 400 plus. Okay, we
I
are
just
up
took a
here.
small trim there at 40.
I did not mean to do 23. I'm in at 21, by the way. 21, not 23. This is over
Yeah.
20 points right here for me.
I took 2 there on the push to 4. Let's see. Yeah.
Nice,
Yeah, here.
nice.
Put 4. Gonna hold 1.
I think I like this. I'm gonna continue to hold this through. My first trim area probably is gonna be to 60. First ticket profit for me is gonna be 60. I don't want to see this move get bought down though. So if you want, you could honestly have stop as new low of day, just as a hard stop, but I'm gonna take this off right here, guys. Probably. Come on.
Yeah, nice, nice, nice.
Here we go. Here we go. Alright, I'm taking my first half right here, 55. I'm out half. Stop loss to break even, or in profit. Okay. Mile half 55. Yeah, stop loss to break even or in profit. I'm gonna be looking for this push up to overnight highs. If you could get some momentum continue here, I really like Apple here as it's kind of, well, it did get that fill of that overhead imbalance, but
Nvidia going
yeah,
over PD previous day high here and respective VWAP also. Very nice.
hmm
And Microsoft is the only one I don't really like, but it's still above VWAP here.
hmm Well, Microsoft is
AMD.
below VWAP for me.
Really?
hmm
It's below as well.
Below
Right
VWAP,
as VWAP for me. Wait. I'm gonna on the main channel.
below
I
VWAP,
have it
and
also above VWAP on TradingView.
Yeah.
you guys have anchored?
Uh,
Oh, interesting.
nope.
Hmm.
Anchor
Interesting.
period session. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I do have my stops at break even though. Okay, not gonna let this other half go red, so I'd like to see this potentially continue here a little bit. I do like Nvidia here, this nice little pop. Apple sitting above you up here. Microsoft is below for me. I don't know about you guys, but Microsoft and Google seem to be the only ones that are a little bit on the weaker end here. Spied nice recapture above you up. Same here with Qs. I want to see this following 5-minute candle get above this close above
Yeah.
you up, and then we could see some potentially momentum, get that back test into overnight highs, or even go for that 4-hour imbalance fill.
VIX is also going down here to previous day low. That's a good sign. Reacting fair value gaps there. Yeah, I like it.
This could be a really nice trade, guys. Here we had a really good entry. Remember, that's exactly what I was looking for. This is beautiful here. Yeah, this is over 50 points, guys. If you want to just get all out, this is a one and done trade here, or move your stops in profit.
All right, I'm done for the day. Have a good night, y'all.
Yeah, I gonna take this here also.
Nice.
I might be doing the same as Tom.
Hey, bro, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, it's a kind of could be kind of
Hey, bro,
a
there's
day
a good
also.
saying in the
I'd like to
market.
say.
It's like we don't get paid by the hour, bro. We get paid for the job done.
Yeah, it was an amazing
Oh,
entry, really.
Exactly what we're
yeah,
looking for right
very
there.
nice. Yeah. Joel, did you get that?
Yeah. I mean,
We were looking at the same thing. I was like entry at 23, and that's perfect right
Yeah.
there. We had a little bit of slippage to like 18, but bro, 5 points off, not bad.
Yeah, I got the 19.5 into there, but I got
Hmm.
a bit.
Nice.
I was a bit too early on the first scale down there. So well.
Alright, I'm gonna take another partial. Oh, wow, I'm getting all out
Wow.
here. I'm all
Yeah.
out right
Nice.
here, guys. I'm all out of
Yeah.
73.
Damn, it popped to 73. I got
Yeah.
out at like
It's
Yeah.
all right.
58.
Yeah.
Well, good seeing you today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, good
So
job, guys. Be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This,
I
this
got
Oh
type
I
wow,
days
got
we like most.
Oh my
I got
god.
in at 16 and got out at 50.
nice. Oh wow,
Nice.
this is a beautiful.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
So
wow.
like all on those PAs and the evals. So the 100K I'm up $571 on PA. So that's a good amount of money for me.
yeah.
Thank you,
Wow.
Alex.
Yeah, this is that final
Wow.
target for me up to that 400 level. Yeah, this would have been a really
Yeah.
nice
Yeah.
breaker.
Wow.
Let's
I took everything off at 400 now.
nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Uh,
Snag that.
Beautiful. Love that. Yeah, no complaints
I
from
just
my end right
love
here.
that
Hey, bro, that's why we're
love
the
that
best trading
entry,
group in the
man.
game. That's why we're the best trading group in the game.
Uh,
Straight up, top two, not two.
yeah. Previous day high is so good when with VWAP. Oh,
Yep.
look at this! Wow.
Dude, that was the last trade I took this month.
Oh
Yep.
yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
What a great way to end the month, huh?
Uh huh.
Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, definitely one and done.
And my copier worked today, so sadly I did less profit. But it
No,
worked.
no 6 minis today.
No. You were not here, but I have not traded on Tradervate or Apex before, just Top Step. So I was trying to copy trade eval with my PH, and I did 6 because it was gonna do 3 Nasdaq on each, but it did 6 on my PA. I was like, oh no,
Oh
no.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's
but it went to
Oh,
2K
okay,
profit really fast, and I just cut it, and oh shit. So, but now I fixed it. So
So it's
that's,
working
that's
for you.
nice.
yeah.
honestly, I'm
Do
at
you
a
know?
point where I feel like I might take the next 2 days off because price action might be really bad. I might still
Right.
hop in though, because tomorrow's NFP protocol. The Thursday before NFP is usually pretty choppy, and then Friday itself. I know Alex doesn't trade sometimes, so up in the air. But I think we're really green this week, so
Yep, definitely really
Yeah.
nice week. So
or just size down.
Yeah, this week is a hard week with all the
Yeah.
earnings also. So just to be green this week is very, very good. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw on Sunday going into this week. I knew it was gonna be a tough week, but
Yeah.
we made our money. So
beautiful pull today,
Yeah.
400. Looks like we probably will get this 5-minute candle close below overnight highs right there as well. So
We have not seen a lot on the bid on time and sales actually, and more on the ask. But I'm not gonna fade this for our structure. But
yeah, no, I'm done. It's literally
yeah,
almost
I'm done also.
almost 9K within 15 minutes of the open. So
oh no, it was 9 minutes, bro.
9 minutes into the open. Yeah,
Yeah.
take that. I'm gonna even stop the live recording.